And here we have Matvey Voloshin against Muhammad Saidzora, Tajikistan versus Ukraine. Nice solid strike there from Voloshin. Spinning attack misses there for Voloshin as well. Nice shot there from Saidzora, but and there Saidzora gets a takedown. Oh, straight into an arm triangle, but abandons it. Looked for a moment like he was going to land basically inside of an arm triangle. Saidzora not passing thus far. Using head control quite well. Referee Haji Muhammad calling for some action. I'm inclined to agree. Saidzora hasn't really done anything to improve his position, threatened with submissions or anything of the like. Another warning for inactivity here from Haji Muhammad. And we've seen Muhammad Saidzora pull off some impressive wins. He had a armbar victory earlier, but didn't quite get it.